Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have something truly unique and tantalizing to explore, cajinha, a traditional Brazilian beverage made from cashew apples. But hold on tight, because we're about to uncover some surprising and lesser-known facts about this delightful drink. So, let's dive in and quench our thirst for knowledge. The mesmerizing hue of cajinha, a drink with a captivating golden glow. But did you know it's not just a drink, it's a cultural icon? Let's journey into the unknown world of cajinha. To understand cajinha, we must start with the cashew apple. Unlike the familiar cashew nut, the cashew apple is the fruit that grows at the end of the cashew nut stem. These apples are used to create the unique and flavorful cajinha. Making cajinha is a time-honored tradition that dates back centuries. It involves a delicate process of crushing the cashew apples, extracting their juices, and then allowing the liquid to ferment naturally, creating a delightful sparkling drink. Cajinha isn't just a refreshing beverage, it holds cultural significance in Brazil. Originating in the northeastern region, it has become an integral part of local festivities and celebrations, cherished by the people and deeply ingrained in their heritage. Now, let's talk about the nutritional richness of cajinha. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this drink is not only refreshing but also offers health benefits that contribute to overall well-being. What sets cajinha apart is its unique flavor profile. With a perfect balance of sweetness and tartness, this beverage is a symphony of taste that surprises and delights the taste buds. When you're in the northeastern part of Brazil, cajinha is a must-try local delicacy. Embrace the opportunity to experience the authentic taste and immerse yourself in the cultural richness of this region. The art of crafting cajinha involves skilled hands and a deep understanding of the fermentation process. It's a craft that has been passed down through generations, preserving the authenticity and essence of this cherished beverage. Another fascinating fact about cajinha is its sustainability. The utilization of cashew apples for this drink reduces food waste, making it an eco-friendly choice that aligns with sustainable practices. So, let's raise a glass of this golden elixir, toasting to the rich history and cultural significance of cajinha. Cheers to discovering the lesser-known wonders of this sparkling delight. That's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the lesser-known facts about cajinha. If you're intrigued by this unique Brazilian treasure or have any cajinha experiences of your own, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us in uncovering the secrets of this enchanting beverage. Until next time, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the world of flavors. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Take care, and see you soon. Goodbye.